guess.
Smells like a llama. I'm queen of this rock. No one can have my rock. My rock!
Nice job.
Well, I guess Desiree is now queen of the rock.
That was Well, you did say nobody could take your rock from you.
Mm-hmm. Yesterday I was watching the news and this woman's name is Tweety.
What?
What? Who names their kid Tweety?
And now the rock is alone. Go conquer the rock.
No! It's my rock.
I
peed on that rock. You see all that green? That's from me. Had burritos.
Whoa!
Dork.
Conquer the rock.
No! No! Oh, I found a hole. Whoa! There's no hole. Who put that hole there?
There is no hole. She is blind. And now sitting on the rock.
Ow, doesn't that hurt?
Yeah.
It's in my poop. What? I want to throw stuff at people. Not me.
Not me either. This is going on YouTube. And then my...
You want to see me do the sprinkler?
Sure.
Nah. You're funny. You're gonna think she's retarded.
Not if they meet her, they won't.
I don't know. I think they might think she's more if they meet her.
True, but
About me?
nothing.
I hear you. You're the devil. We aren't even whispering. You can have the rock.
Ha ha ha, I win. You guys are boring now.
Want some?
No.
Finger gum. Guess where it's been?
Ew.
That's hella nasty.
And she's conquered the rock again.
Okay, I want to go to the pole. It's like too hot over there. The what?
Real cold.
It's too hot over here.
Ew.
Oh, that's gotta go on next tube.